Here it says factoring quadratics not written in standard form. So in these two examples, if you look at them carefully, they're not equal to 0, so they're not yet in standard form. So you can't identify A, B, and C yet. In this example, E, I can take this 9 and move it to the left-hand side of the equation by subtracting 9 to both sides. By making this move first, I end up getting x squared plus 8x. And then here, minus 11 minus 9 more is going to be minus 20 equals to, and notice how here 9 minus 9 will give me the 0 that I need for standard form. So these questions will require some adjustment first before we start to factor. Now that I have standard form, I can identify my A value, my B value, and my C value. And I can begin the process of x factoring. Guys, again, A times C goes here, so in this case 1 times negative 20 is negative 20. The B value here of 8 will go on the bottom portion of this x. And then 20 is going to be 2 times 10. So that'll work here with the 2 being negative. Again, a reminder of how this works. Negative 2 times a positive 10 is a negative 20, so that works. At the same time, 10 minus 2 is positive 8, so this puzzle works. Now I can take the original problem, so I'll write it here on the side again. So x squared plus 8x minus 20. Again, the only point of doing this x factor is to find a way to take the original middle term, this plus 8x, and to separate it now into these two side numbers that we found of minus 2x plus 10x. So minus 2x plus 10x. I still have an x squared out in front, and a minus 20 here in the back. And then I can group here the first two terms, the second two terms, and I find the GCF of x. I'm left with x minus 2. And here I'm going to have a GCF of 10 with x minus 2. So I'm done with x minus 2, then x plus 10 equals 0. This is the factored form of this original quadratic. And guys, again here, what should I do to rewrite this quadratic into standard form? In this case, subtract 9 from both sides, and that'll get you back into standard form, which allows you to start the process.